Good morning, guys. Welcome to MISHMAS. We are going to be talking about what you guys can expect from this next month. If you are new to my channel, MISHMAS is my version of Vlogmas. This is something YouTubers, social media content creators, it's something that they do during the month of December. They like to put up content every single day for the month of December. And so last year I did a MISHMAS, again, my version of Vlogmas, and I didn't really vlog that much. I actually just did a lot of sit-down videos. I just wanted to see if I could post something every single day, which I did. And I actually live streamed, I think on the last day, New Year's Eve. So we're attempting it again this year. I have to say, after I finished last year's MISHMAS, I was unhappy. I was really burnt out. I was really unhappy. I took a couple days off at the beginning of January just to kind of like regroup. I actually traveled when we could still travel. I actually traveled to a friend's house and had like a nice girls' weekend, and it was really great. And life went on. And I want to say for like the first half of 2020, I was like, no, there's no way I'm doing MISHMAS again. But I started to warm up to the idea, and as I'm filming this, as I'm sitting here, I still don't know if I am really going to be able to put something up every single day this month for many reasons. So this is my promise to you that I'm going to try to upload something every single day. I really, when I've talked about MISHMAS over my past few vlogs, so many of you guys are really just, you guys are so sweet. So many of you commented like, don't worry about it. If it's gonna stress you out, don't do it. So I really appreciate that. And I really love making content. I love making content for you guys. So while it is, stressful, just the process of doing it all, it's not something that I dislike. It's not a bad stress. It's a good stress. So I'm going to try. My content is definitely going to be a little bit more casual. Like I said, last MISHMAS, all of my videos were, my typical kind of sit down videos, edited, all that kind of stuff. I mean, I'm still going to edit my videos. I think I'm going to do more vlogging in general. I've been doing more vlogging over this year, so I do feel a little bit more comfortable doing it. It's just unfortunate that we're basically in lockdown again. So it's going to be a lot of vlogging in this little apartment. So I hope you guys don't mind that, but I do like this kind of casual format. I just feel like I can be a little bit more myself. When I do sit down videos and I'm reviewing something, I just want to present the information to you. And so not a lot of my personality, I don't think, comes through in those videos. So it'll be fun. It'll be fun to just kind of change it up, do more vlogs. So my plans for today were to just kind of film this vlog for you guys and put it up for December 1st as my intro to MISHMAS. So I'm gonna, get ready, and while I'm putting my makeup on, we'll talk about what I'm planning for MISHMAS, but my day definitely has changed already. I'm definitely gonna have to stay flexible this month, but Miss Butters hasn't been feeling well. So on Friday, the Friday after Thanksgiving, she came home from school and she had, and I apologize, this is gross, but she had really violent diarrhea. For all of you pet owners out there, you know exactly what I mean. So it pretty much happened all night. And then the next day she seemed fine. Her poop was more solid. And then the day after that, the diarrhea kind of came back and she started vomiting. So I'm going to take her to the vet today. I fear her pancreatitis maybe has come back. I've been really careful with her food and the treats that I give her. So I'm going to take her to the vet, get some blood work done, figure out what exactly it is, if it is the pancreatitis or something else. So anyway, that is being thrown into my day. So I need to kind of hurry things up. I'm going to get ready, and we can talk about my plans for this next month. Hello, freshly showered. I'm going to go ahead and put on just a little bit of makeup. I was able to get a vet appointment for Miss Butters for this afternoon. So that's pretty much the only outing I'm gonna have today. So I'm just, I'm gonna keep it simple. But I did want to talk to you guys about what to expect for this next month. And if I forget to mention what I am putting on my face, it will be down below in the description box, but I am starting with the Trini London BFF cream. And I'm gonna put a little bit of my By Terry Brightening CC Serum in Sunny Flash. I'm gonna put a little bit of this in just to give me a little bit of color. I'm feeling that kind of way today. So I did mention at the beginning of this vlog that I'm gonna be trying my best to upload videos every day, but I definitely have to stay flexible for a couple of reasons. One of which is a project that I've been working on, and it is finally happening. I was kind of hoping it was going to happen last month, so I didn't have this overlap, but of course, with everything going on, everything was a little bit delayed, you know, at every step, and so here we are in December. I cannot wait to show you guys what I've been working on, but that is really going to be a time suck. It already has, just kind of setting everything up, but I can't wait to show you guys the actual project that I've been working on, and also just share with you like what I learned over the entire process, because it's like, you know, you think something's going to be one way and then it's like completely different. So yeah, it was just really, really exciting, and I had such a great time. So that is happening. I'm probably going to be announcing that probably in a couple weeks. I mean, really, the timing couldn't be any worse with the holidays and everything, but anyway, that is coming. And so with that on the horizon, I really have to stay flexible. So anyway, that is one thing I wanted to mention to you guys. And the other thing I wanted to mention to you guys is I've decided that I'm going to be donating a portion of all of my sponsorships that I'm doing in December, both on YouTube and on Instagram. I'm going to be donating a portion of that to a charity that is very near and dear to my heart. It's a charity that I have been donating to for at least 8-10 years now, and it's the Rolling Dog Farm. And it's a farm in New Hampshire, and they basically take in animals, not just dogs, but mainly dogs, but they take in animals that they're like unadoptable. They have very, very severe handicaps, blindness, missing limbs, things like that. And when you donate to them, you get on their mailing list and they send you a newsletter, I think every quarter or so. And when I got the first newsletter from them, I mean, I was like, a mess. I was like a total puddle of emotion. And ever since then, they've just been always in my thoughts. And of course, I wanted to share that with you guys, because without your support, without your watching my videos, without you commenting, I mean, all the engagement that you give my channel, without that, I wouldn't be getting the opportunities for sponsorships, which then in turn gives me the privilege of being able to donate even more to these charities that I love. So I'm gonna link Rolling Dog Farm down below in my description box. Just check out their site. They feature pets that they have, you know, just taken in, or ones that have been with them for a really long time. I'm gonna warn you, get out a box of Kleenex, because it's really, really, really heartwarming. And as for my content in the month of December, I think I touched upon this in the beginning of this vlog, but I am going to be vlogging a little bit more, and of course, we're going to be talking a lot about beauty and makeup and things like that. That is definitely the core of this channel. But I do want to take advantage of MISHMAS and posting a new video every day, and just, I don't know, just play around with not just like, you know, vlogging versus sitting down, but just like the kind of content. And you guys have seen that I put up like a fashion haul for the first time, so I'll probably do another one. I've been talking about handbags a little bit more, which is my first love. Before makeup, it was handbags. So I am going to be putting up a video where I talk about some of my oldest handbags and my newest purchases and things like that. So I think that'll be fun. I'll probably do some baking videos. Paleo, if you guys don't know, I've been on paleo for maybe 2 months. Wow, 2 months now, 2.5 months. And wow, I fell down hard over Thanksgiving. I had pizza, I had ramen, I had fried rice. I mean, I went to town. So I'm trying to get back into it for the most part, but I know during the holidays, you know, it's tough, and I really love baking. So I do want to bake some of my favorite holiday cookies for you guys, so we'll vlog that. So I'm looking forward to doing like different types of content for you guys. And then the last thing I wanted to mention in terms of what to expect from this coming month. Oh, I just love this shade. This is that Trini London Mystery eye shade. But the other thing I wanted to mention that you can expect over the next month is a lot of giveaways. A lot of giveaways. So definitely subscribe if you haven't already. Definitely subscribe if you're into giveaways. But I have a lot. I mean, just to give you a preview, we're definitely going to be giving away one of the Dior Rouge Golden Nights lipstick sets. This thing is gorgeous. I actually showed this to you in a haul video. I had two and I was going to do the giveaway then, but I was like, let me save it for MISHMAS. So we're going to be giving away one of these. We're going to be giving away M Cosmetics holiday sets, which come in these really cute plastic totes. So a lot of giveaways for sure. So definitely subscribe if you are into that. I think they're a lot of fun. And one of my favorite things is DMing the winner over Instagram and being like, congratulations, and like waiting for their response. It's so much fun. I love it. I'm just adding some of the Victoria Beckham honey on top. It's a little bit deeper than the mystery, so it adds a little bit of dimension there to the outer corner of my eye. Just throwing on some of the Chantecaille Faux Cils Longest Lash Mascara. And I feel like a bright lip today, so I pulled out my Tom Ford Gloss Luxe Lip Gloss in Nikita. I have not used these in a while, and I really love these lip glosses. And I don't know if these lip glosses are discontinued, just on sale, restocking. I don't know what the deal is with these lip glosses. I vaguely remember when they released them that these were, maybe they were limited edition. I can't remember anymore, but I hope these aren't discontinued because I really love them and the colors were beautiful. They just had such a wide range of shades and this formula is so comfortable and so moisturizing. Anyway, that is the Tom Ford Gloss Luxe Lip Gloss. So that is it for today's vlog. Welcome to MISHMAS. We'll see how this goes. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.